Hi everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today I am participating in a collaboration with my girlfriend Momdas from India. It's her first collaboration and she invited me to co-host with her. Thank you so much, Momdas. So if you're like me and you love to support and see other women around the world how they live, don't forget to click the playlist below. Don't forget to check out Momdas Life Homemade. Okay guys, let me show you what I came up. This collaboration is to make a useful DIY for a loved one. So I'm going to show you what I came up with for my granddaughter Jaylee. Okay guys, so I decided to do this project with materials that I already have here. And this project is going to cost me no money. So I have a lot of different scraps left from those runners that we bought for the wedding in August. So I have this piece that's pretty big. And this piece is 12 inches wide. So I'm going to leave it that wide. That way I get a nice finish here on the sides. And I just kind of folded it, and it's going to be 8 inches long and 12 inches wide. So I'm going to cut here, but I am going to leave a little piece right over here so that I can fold in the inside here. And then going through my ribbon and stuff, I thought that I would use this as my handles for her little purse. And then I plan to use Velcro in the part here to close the purse. This is my idea, so wish me luck that it all comes together. And then I have this heart left over from my Valentine's DIY. And I thought that I would add this to the purse in the middle. And then maybe glue a doily and write her name on it. Let's see what I come up. So I'm just going to start creating away and just watch me and pray that it turns out okay. So here I'm just going to fold this in on the sides here and glue it down with my glue gun. And here I'm just gluing each side with my glue gun, but I'm going to leave the top part unglued. Okay, so now before I add the Velcro, I think I want to put in my handles, like so. So I'm going to glue my handles before I add the Velcro. And here I'm just making sure that it's even with the other handle. So now I am going to cut a piece of Velcro to go right in here. So let me measure here. So like up to here. And I'm going to measure the other one. Right over here. Okay, then I'm going to glue the Velcro right over here, and then it's going to cover the handles. Okay, and there we go. Got ourselves a little tote bag, and it works just great. I was here thinking, B, you got these wooden letters from the Dollar Tree. So how about I just add these letters with her name on them. I think that'll work. And I'm not even going to paint the letters. I'm just going to leave it nice and natural because I am being lazy, right? Really, really cute. So I'm going to have to open a second package of letters. Thank God I bought 3 of them, because you only get 1 of each letter, and her name is Jaylee. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to add a paper plate in between here and here, so when I glue the letters, it doesn't glue my purse together. Okay. The Y and the L in the middle, and that should have all my letters in the center of the purse. Her little tote bag for her to take to her class for Valentine's. Oh my God, and look at this, guys. So adorable. You guys must have prayed hard for me. Look, it turned out adorable. Guys, because I really didn't know what I was doing. But no, everything that I imagined here did turn out. Well, thank you everybody for joining me today. Please make sure that you check out the playlist link below with all my other YouTube sisters going to be joining this collaboration. And please check out my friend Momdas all the way from India and give her some love and tell her I sent you. And creators, thank you so much for all who participated in this collaboration. I can't wait to see all of your DIY video in this useful DIY for a loved one. Thank you so much for all the new supporters, for all the new subscribers, for all of you that have left me comments. I promise you that tomorrow I will sit down, read every single comment, because I plan to fill out those little tickets for the giveaway, guys. Remember, the more you comment, the more entries you get to win a Dollar Tree gift card. And to visit Momdas Life Handmade, just click right over here and it'll take you directly to her channel. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.